So, Alex, you're going to watch Steve over there.
Right.
So, anytime he needs a sound, let's say Steve was walking over some leaves and crunching them. What does that sound like?
Very quiet.
Okay, very good. So you watch him. Anytime he needs a sound, you take care of his sound for him, okay? And Max, you're going to watch Jeff.
Hello.
And anytime he needs a sound, let's say Jeff blows up a balloon and then it pops. What would that sound like?
Very small balloon.
You watch Jeff. Anytime Jeff needs a sound, you make it. I think we got it. All right, so these guys are big. Now what we need is a scene for Jeff and Steve. So let's get another location. Somewhere. Where should we put them in? Right here. In the jungle.
The mighty jungle?
Lively sleeping tonight?
I think so.
We're about to find out. Take it away in the jungle.
Let me... Oh, Professor!
Yes.
As the guide of the Amazon, with the weird accent, let me slash my way through the jungle to get to our campsite.
All right, slash those leaves.
I will take out my big machete knife and slash away. All right, many pardons from me to you. I cut your ear off.
Let me just tape it back on. Hold this for a second. Let me pull out my scotch tape. Let me just rip a piece off. Ready?
Whisper quiet, Scotch tape. It's new.
Oh, I didn't get a good piece out. Let's try that again. Excuse me. Okay. Here, put the ear right there.
All right. Let me just wrap this around your head. Like I said, whisper quiet, Scotch tape.
Perfect. All right, let's try this again. Oh, wait. There it is in the distance.
Oh my gosh, it's right there.
How did we not see that?
I don't know. The only way to get there from here, though, is to take the canoe.
The canoe to the pyramid?
That's right. It's next to the river.
Ah, of course.
Now be careful. This river's very loud and filled with fish that are very loud fish.
Let's listen.
Not that ear. It doesn't work.
Oh,
remember?
no. Of course.
Try the other one.
All right, let's listen to the rushing water.
There's even an owl in the water. Did you hear it? It's a swimming owl. That's
Okay,
pretty good.
let me push the canoe into the water and then we'll both take paddles and row.
Okay, I think big splash.
1, 2, 3. We hit the owl!
Oh no! It's an endangered swimming owl!
Fluffy! It lives!
It's
Be
good.
free!
Well, now it does make it, that didn't quite work. It's now dead again. Didn't make any noise. Oh well, I'm sure there's plenty more. Here, let's get in this canoe. Okay, you've got a paddle?
I've got a paddle.
Let's paddle.
Ready?
You don't want to wake up the tigers.
Of course not. Not in the river.
No. They're on the banks when we get to the pyramid.
Look! Look, it's an alligator. You can hear it slapping its jaws.
Oh,
It's got sonar!
it's raising the roof. It's like, whoop, whoop. Yeah, alligator.
All right. We're on the other side.
Okay. Now still be careful of the tigers. They make footsteps that sounds like shushing.
They're quiet tigers. Yes. Okay.
Very quiet tigers.
It's a tiger.
Ah!
Wait. Listen.
Oh, somebody's shouting. We're okay.
That was a peek. But just in case, I have my shotgun. Just listen to me cock it. Let me try that again.
Try it again. Oh, I just went off.
There was another arrow.
Oh, you've shooting them all.
Anyway.
Poor owls. All right. Well, we made it to the pyramid. Professor, let me show you the magical mystery ritual that we need to perform. It has lots of chanting and singing and dancing and drum sounds to get into this pyramid.
Well, it sounds amazing.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, I am ready.
Let's see how it sounds.
Whoa! You really need to lose weight. You're breaking the tiles.
Sorry, what's too many gator burgers.
All right, let me bang on the tribal drum. Ready?
There we go.
Let's try that again. Oh,
Your mom! Well, somehow that worked and it opened up the pyramid. Now we got to be very quiet because it's filled filled with tigers and owls and gators and possibly something else that makes a sound.
It's a snake.
It's a snake. Why did it have to be a snake?
A snake and an owl. Wait, it's the owl snake.
The owl snake?
Yes, there's only one thing to do when you're confronted with an owl snake.
What's that?
Why, I'm glad you asked. We throw bananas at it.
Oh, of course. That banana just went off like a shotgun.
And shoot the snake, so it's perfect.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Well,
I just threw it back, okay?
Okay, we're almost to the treasure room. It's very close in front of the pyramid. There's so much gold and so much wealth. I think I hear somebody else in here, though. You hear that siren song? Don't people? Oh, it's you!
Sorry, I was so excited I started to sing.
Well, it is an exciting treasure room.
All right, let me just open the door, but it might be a little bit creepy. And cause some noise when it opens. It might be very squeaky. Let's try it. Oh, mouse!
Oh, you killed the mouse! Oh, it's okay, he's alive.
Oh, good. Oh, sounds like you just got eaten by one of the snakes.
Maybe the owl.
It would be the owl snake.
Oh my gosh! That's my sound